Barbara from Gluten Free Homestead. Today I'm showing you how to make beef liver with caramelized onions and bacon. Now, liver is one of the most nutritious foods you can eat, and it cooks up super fast, only 2 minutes on each side. So it's great for a weeknight dinner or when you don't have a lot of time to cook. Ready to see how to make it? Let's go. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description, and be sure to subscribe, like, and follow. And check out more of my videos for recipes that you can easily make at home. See you there.